Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Satrajit, a salesman who turned into a digital marketer, a digital agency owner, a blogger, and now a YouTuber. So, I'm into this industry since 2015. If you don't know much about my channel, normally I share videos related to digital marketing, blogging, SEO, and online business. If you want videos with 100% value, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. Today's video is going to be really interesting because I'm going to review a tool that has created buzz in entire world in past few months. So basically the name of the tool is Content Studio, and I have been using the starter plan since 6 to 7 months. So I thought let's go ahead and create a review video about Content Studio. Normally I use this tool to generate content ideas and to check what is trending in the market right now. So, if you want to check what kind of posts people like you, or blogs like you, or brands like you are doing in the social media, what kind of topics should you choose to write blogs, what kind of topics should you choose to create social media posts, you should have this tool in your tools inventory. Basically, they also show you what is trending, which topic is getting more engagement, what kind of posts are getting shared by people more and more. So basically, this is a must-have tool for those who are more into content marketing. So let's get started and jump into my laptop screen. Okay, guys, so as usual, I'm in my computer screen. Okay, this is my YouTube channel and why I'm showing you this. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you my journey or my experience with Content Studio. Content Studio is basically a social media content marketing tool. Okay, so I have been using this since maybe from 6 to 7 months from now. Okay, will today share you my personal experience with this tool, whether you should buy this, whether you shouldn't buy this. If you buy, then what kind of offers or deals you can get. So I will tear down everything. I will also show you some pricing of different competitors, but I will also share my personal opinion that why uh, I like this tool or why I hate this tool. All the pros and cons, everything will be covered. Okay. So first of all, let's go ahead and see something about their website. This is their website, which is contentstudio.io. I will put the link in the description. That will be my affiliate link. If you click and go to their website, you will get some special leads. Okay. So first of all, streamline your social media content. Basically, they have created a tool that they call, it is the most robust content planning, content scheduling, or you can say A to Z, a go-to content management tool. Basically, they have divided this tool into four phases, or you can say four different modules. Like they have discovery, they have planner, they have publisher, and they have analytics. So normally, there are a lot of content idea generation tools out there. We have BuzzSumo, we have Social Monials, we have Social Animals, we have so many other tools that we can really use to generate content ideas. But not all are giving you these four options like discovery, planner, publisher, and analytics. So basically, these are four modules. But yeah, there are, if you go in depth, there are several sub modules inside these main modules. Okay, so right now they have over 30,000 customers and they are counting. Yes, they are a old company. They have a lot of customers around the world. They have great testimonials from different uh, high level employees of some big companies, which I have seen and I have verified myself. Okay, so then here are some key features. content discovery and insight. So you can normally discover content and you can check the insight of those content. You can also get personalized content powered by AI. So basically they are using AI algorithm that will show you personalized content related to your personal preference. Next is multi-channel composer. You can compose a post that can be omni-channel. You can share it on multiple uh, channels like all the social medias, RSS feed, blogs, and everything. So that is something really advanced. Then you have planner and calendar. So you have a monthly planner or a monthly calendar, just like you have on Hootsuite, just like you have on Buffer, just like you have on tons of social media scheduling tool. So here with content discovery and idea generation, you are also getting the planner and the calendar. So you are getting best of the both worlds. So that is another great feature which they have. So if you are using this tool, you can ditch your regular planner or scheduler. Like you can save that money that you are paying to your planner or scheduler. Everything will be done at one place. Okay, then they have automation recipes. This is interesting. This is really interesting. I have never seen tools like this. There are a lot of tools, but they don't give you automation recipes. I have seen some interesting automation recipes, which I will go ahead and show you after some time. Then you have analytics and reporting. You can analyze how your content is performing. So basically, the main reason people use this is to get content that is getting shared or liked a lot by people in the social media platforms. Then they get that idea and create content related to those categories or those topics. Then they analyze whether that is helping their social media to grow or not. So everything can be done with this tool. First of all, you can discover, then you can compose, then you can plan and schedule, then you can automate, then you can analyze. So it is basically you can say something that comes with a full package. Okay, then apart from that, they are saying it doesn't stop here. You have content intelligence, custom topics, engagement tracking, post reviews, AI powered captions. Oh, that is something really, really, really interesting, because I've never seen tools giving you AI powered captions, because you waste a lot of time going out there and thinking about good words, about engaging titles, engaging captions. So this is also will be covered by this tool. Then you have workspace. You can switch between workspace or brands. Then you have approval options, whether the post will be approved by the admin or not. Then you have drag and drop embed. Then you have drip sequence. Oh my god, they have a lot to offer. They have a lot to offer. Then get better ROI from your marketing efforts. So if you are doing marketing effort, you can get better ROI using this tool. So if you go to the publishing section, you can publish on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Instagram, Pinterest, Google My Business, Medium, WordPress, Shopify, Pocket. Okay, these are the platforms you can go ahead and publish. Then you have in discovery, they are getting content from Twitter, YouTube, Dailymotion, Pixabay, Flickr, Imgur, and Giphy. So these are the platforms they are using their AI based algorithm to get contents. Next, they have link shortener, they have inbuilt bit.ly GWO.gl, then replug with them. Then, oh my god, is it content spinner? I was yet to discover this. I was yet to discover this. I never knew that they already are supporting content spinner. Okay, they are having chimp rewriter, spin rewriter, and word AI. So basically, you can spin around content. If you find something interesting, you can spin it around and post it. Okay, great. That seems really awesome. Okay, so there are few testimonials. Then their product links and resources. Okay, so this is the information we found on Content Studio website. Now I will show you guys the pricing. Okay, basically they are giving you a 14 days free trial. After that, they have a plan that is starting from $49, which I am using right now, which is for pro solo marketer. Then they have a plan for small agencies, which is 99 per month. Then they have a medium business agency plan, which is 199 per month. Then they have a large plan, which is 299 per month. Okay, what we are getting with the 49 plan? Basically, you will get one workspace. One workspace means you will get one brand or one business which you can add. Then social accounts you can add up to 10. So basically, let's say you are adding your agency brand. Let's say your agency name is Digital X. So you can add your Digital X with one workspace. Then you can add around 10 social media accounts. So if you have one workspace, you can add 10 accounts. Then blogs you can add one per month. Then team members, you can't add any team members with this plan. Then automation campaigns, you have 10 automation campaigns. Then post per month for social media, unlimited. Post per month for blog, unlimited. Custom topics feeds, unlimited, and search per day, unlimited. So basically these all are unlimited. If you compare this to all the similar tools, I think we will find that they are never gonna give this unlimited with this kind of pricing. Okay, so then after that, if you are a mid-size agency, you can probably take a 5 workspace or 10 workspace program. But for me, right now, this is the best plan. You can decide your own. Then let's go ahead and log in. As you already know that I have purchased this, I will go ahead and show you my account. So I'm gonna sign in. I will click on sign in. Okay, so here we are in the Content Studio dashboard. So this is my account. On the right side, you can see my picture. When I click on it, I will go ahead and show you my plan. This is my subscription. This is Content Studio starter plan. Basically, I have one workspace which I have already taken. Then I will go ahead and show you the dashboard. This is my workspace. I have given it my name, so I will click on it. Now you can see this is the dashboard of Content Studio. So they have almost every topic over here. So if your blog or your website is related to startup programming, machine learning and artificial intelligence, news, VR, life hacks, marketing, gaming, company news, business news, sports news, politics, music and audio, celebrities, movies, TV and video, software, computer security, mobile phones, consumer electronics, fashion and style, face and body care, fitness, weight loss, women's health, productive health, medical facilities, health conditions, air travel, tourist destinations, hotels, bus, rail, commodities, foreign exchange, accounting, investing, blogging. Oh, sorry, biological science, engineering, technology, ecology, astronomy, family, green living, work and labor issues, social issues, home interior, home furnishing, living, construction, meat, seafood, cooking, recipes, restaurant, fast food. Oh my god, they have covered everything. You can also click on show all to see what more they have, but that will just make this video 1 or 2 hour long. So basically, this is where you can find content. Let's say I will go into marketing, as this is my domain. Once you click on a category, it will show you all the content that people are interacting with or people are engaged the most in the last 90 days. As you can see, most shared content in past 3 months. So here you can see these are the most shared content. 2020 social media industry report by Social Media Examiner. This is having a lot of engagement. This has 378 shares on Facebook, 464 shares on Twitter, 9 Pinterest shares. So, and it is having a trending score of 7 out of 10. Then it is giving us a sentiment which is neutral. Now again, three simple steps by Neil Patel for first 10,000 visitors on Google. You can see all the engagement over here. So basically it is giving you everything that is performing really well in the market. So either you can use this content and reshare it in your profile, or you can take some insights from these blog posts and create separate contents for your YouTube, for your Instagram, for your blog, for your Twitter. So basically this is something we can say a gold mine for content marketers. Now you can see everything that is going on in the marketing industry that is visible in front of my eyes. So what you can do is you can go ahead and click on here and make it past 30 days, and it will show you everything that happened in the past 30 days. Now we will go ahead and click on gaming. Now we can see it is showing me all the highly engaged post in the past 90 days. So Call of Duty players petition for PC gamers to be removed from crossplay. So this is something that is getting a lot of engagement. So if you are having a blog, or if you are having a website that is dealing with gaming related news, so this can be your next content. You can just simply click on it and it will show you the article. You can overlook the article from here, or you can just click here to view original article. Now you can just go through the entire article and rewrite it in your own language, and you got a content for your blog. That's it. So this is how this tool helps me to generate content ideas. So this is how you find top performing content from any industry in the market. You can choose gaming, you can choose marketing, you can choose business news. Let's say you are into mobile phones, you can click on mobile phones. Then you can see the most shared content of past 3 months. Here you can see Facebook is adding a new care reaction to the like button. So yeah, this was quite a highly engaged post, and now we can see that yes, there is a care button in the Facebook. So basically, they give you the go-to solution for content ideas with this top performing content thing. Okay, so now let's go ahead and find out everything about this top bar that is showing us the discover, publish and analyze buttons. So if you click on discover, you can just click on content. So you will find this top performing content tab. Then after that, if you click on influencers, basically you can find influencers by username or hashtag. Let's say I will type hashtag digital marketing and click on search. So when I'm using this hashtag, I'm getting the most followed digital marketers or digital marketing blogs. Here we have Jeff Bullas. He's followed by a lot of people in the social media. Now we have social media today. We have social media examiner. So this tool can also be used to find influencers. You can just go ahead and find influencers using this tool and follow them, and you can also talk to them for your business purpose. So this is how you can discover influencers using Content Studio. Then we will go to publish. When you go to publisher, you can click on composer, where they will allow you to share social posts directly from here. You can also share blog posts. If you click on the social media post button, it will tell you which social media platforms you want to add. I have added my LinkedIn over here, so I will click on LinkedIn. So if you want to write any caption, you can write it over here. If you want to publish right now, you can publish it right now. If you want to schedule it in a future time, you can also schedule it for future. Let's say I will schedule for tomorrow. I will click on 5th July Sunday. Then if you want to add some images, you can add this image and tell people let's connect on LinkedIn. So this is how the scheduler works in this. tool. Now what I will do is I will go ahead and click on post now and click post now. Okay, so this post has been processed to publish now. So I will go ahead and show you whether the post was published to my LinkedIn or not. Now you can see the post has been published. If we click on this, yes, it is showing me that the post has been published. You can also see comments over here. You can duplicate this, you can delete this. What I will do is I will check whether the post is done or not. So in other tools, what we did is we went to the profile and we checked whether it is posted or not. But what you can do is you can just simply click on the live link and it will show you that yes, the post has been published and you don't have to worry at all. Yeah, you can see over here the post has been published. So it is as simple as that. I will delete this because it was for a test purpose. So now, as you can see, I have shown you the composer where you can compose post and you can plan it for a future time. So basically this works just like your social media scheduler tool. Then you can click on the planner. Using the planner, you can plan some content for the future use. After that, we have something called automation. So you can see the automation recipes over here. Normally, marketers and businesses are paying hell lot of money to automation tools, but Content Studio is giving you some automation recipes for free. Here you can see article linked to social media. So whenever you share an article, the link will be shared to your social media automatically. Then RSS feed to social media. If you connect your RSS feed, all the posts will be shared to your social media. Then recycle your evergreen post. So if a post is having a lot of engagement, it will again be reshared to your social media. Then it has bulk uploader, schedule multiple messages to your social media channels via CSV. Then you have video to social media, share your video, share your social media video profiles, pages, groups with smart rules and filters. Then you have articles to blog. You can share articles with smart rules and filters. Then you have video to blog. Let's say you are planning some videos on YouTube and you want to share them in your blog. You can do it with these automation recipes. So that's it, guys. We have covered discover and publish. Now we will check the analyze. Once I click analyze, it will show me all my recent posts that I have done through them. So now you can see everything that I have done using this tool. You can see all the reach, all the reactions, or everything that is going on right now. So I have not published a lot of content using Content Studio. That's why I'm having a small number of analytics. Normally, I use this more to discover content so that I can create it and post it directly. With this analyze tool, you can analyze whether your posts are performing well or not. So if something is performing good for you, you can go ahead and use it again and again. You can use the same strategy again and again. Then so that is it, guys. This was everything about the Content Studio. Now I'm gonna show you the right side dashboard. On the right side dashboard, if you click on your photo, it will show you everything that you can do with your account. You can go to basic settings. You have team members, you have content categories, you have blogs and websites, you have social accounts, you have other integrations, you have sources, you have miscellaneous profile, you have notification, and your subscription plan. Then if you wish, you can click on sign up. So that is basically it about the right side dashboard options. So now let's jump into the main point of this video, whether you should buy this tool or not, and what my review is for this tool. Okay, so let's say you are an influencer, you want to grow your social media channels, you don't have any idea what kind of content that is trending or what kind of content you should do. Basically, I use this tool only to discover content because I know how to compose or publish or do those stuff because I have some other tools like I design them in many graphical tools like Adobe Illustration and all. So I don't use the publisher or analyze a lot. I normally use the discover part, the content discovery, the content topics, the trending topics most of the time. So if that is your main goal, then I would say this is a go-to tool, because this really has a lot to offer when it comes to discovery and influencers, and checking what kind of post you should do, what kind of content is going really well, what kind of content is in trending. So if that is your goal, then I would say this can be a replacement to many other tools right now that are charging 149 to $200 per month, because it is really cheaper than them. Then if you want more from a tool like this, then it has a lot more to offer, because it has composer planner, it has automation, it has social media analytics. So basically, if we compare to other tools, normally they are charging 99 to $149, and this is only for $49. Then I would definitely recommend this tool, because till now, I have not found a single error or a single bug on this particular platform. I have not found any error or any bug, because if I found something, then I would have contacted the support. I have never seen anything like that, because I have never found any bug with this tool. So you can see I don't have any support conversation, because it works flawlessly for me. If your main aim is to get fresh content ideas, then you want to save a lot of money without wasting on those third party publishers. You already have a publisher tool inside this particular platform. So basically it makes it all in one solution for content managers, for freelancers, for digital marketers, for content creators, and for bloggers. Before proceeding to my review part, how much I'm going to rate it, let me tell you that yes, they do have a mobile application. So if you are purchasing that tool, you can use the same credentials on your mobile phone to log into this dashboard. So basically it works both in the mobile phone and in your desktop as well. So you can use their mobile app. It also works flawlessly. So now the final part, where I will give my personal rating, I will give a 9 out of 10 to this tool, because it really solves a lot of problem. It solves your content discovery or content ideation. It also gives you a chance to find key influencers. It helps you figure out what to publish. It helps you figure out how to publish, and it also helps you analyze whether it is working for you or not. So basically that's a go-to solution for content management. So I hope you guys like this video. If you want to buy this tool, go ahead. The link is in the description. They will obviously give you the best deal if you click on that link and purchase this tool. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.